Hello all, this is Julie from Abundance Gardening and at Home Living. Getting back to sourdough bread. It has been doing its thing all night long. Time to get with it. I was pretty daggone tired last night, so all those bubbles in there. Dog's got his bird's eye view of the outdoors, but he's happy. I've got my coffee. I'm happy. On this blessed weekend of Easter, I'm coming to you with more sourdough. Not necessarily must-haves, do-haves, not necessarily anything you have to do to make sourdough. Work, sourdough bread. I can tell you, there are more ways than one to get bread going, and more people think that there's some, great scale of things and weighing that is involved, and it's truly not. And my morning voice, it's always rougher than any other part of the day, so hang in there with me. Working this. Too wet a dough. This is the one with the auto lease. Way too wet to handle. Like way too wet for me. So the last fold, and then it needs to go into the fridge, and it's going to proof for those beautiful break of 14 hours. Some people do 12, somewhere in there. Can be 16, can be 24 hours. And the longer you let it go, the more sour the dough becomes. I don't mind my dough more sour than less. I really don't. I actually prefer it more sour. I'd rather have more sourdough and have flavor that way than add too much salt or added salt. Get my hands cleaned off so I'm not sticking upon myself. Get my towel here. do it this way anymore. I won't do it with the auto lace. I don't think I'll do it that way anymore. Let me get this out of here. Almost has spilled. Alright, let's get after this. It's too relaxed to do for that final proof. It's way too relaxed to do. Sorry, it's the morning. I'm gonna skip to the good part. My mind wanders. You know, this is the time of the dough creating where your mind just kind of goes into a fluffy place. Beautiful, beautiful, fluffy place. Over the dough. Thanks. Happy Easter, that's right. Company. Bringing gifts. Got dough hands on my dog. I can't grab him. That's not rude of me, huh? Happy Easter. Oh my goodness, thanks. I'm so excited. You're all right. He gets excited. My dog. Ta-da! I know, Bobby. I know. People love her. I don't want too big of bubbles. Big bubbles. Ooh. Pop the big ones. There's a big hole in it. This is a good part. Like, for real. This is a good part. Okay, what I do, I put it in a bag, usually like a turkey basting bag. Turkey bag. Skip to the good part. Nice air in it. Like holes. Plenty tall enough. Off to the fridge it goes. Move this back a little bit. Off to the fridge it goes. It's been a long night. I'm tired. Have coffee. I'll see you in about, I don't know, 14 hours. I have one more dough to do. And I only have fridge space for one. It needs to proof second time, one or two more times. So over that course, I'll be able to clear out the fridge, put the other bowl in there, and get ready to enjoy this tomorrow morning for Easter. So that's what this is for. So I have two breads going, two different ways. I was going to do three, ran out of time. So I got pretty tired in the process. My auto lease is now a starter for someone else. And that is a good gift. This is my old starter. Has to go in the fridge. I'm not going to make bread for another, probably a week or so. I'm probably going to bring it out next Friday. Do the same thing all over again and get back at it. So, starter is very forgiving. So if you have the time to do bread every other day, leave it out on the counter, feed it. But me, no, once a week is plenty. And I put it in the fridge. I leave it in the fridge for a month, 2 months. It is all good. Get that little liquidy layer that's kind of gray and almost metallic looking. Just mix it in. Still good. Just move right along with your starter. Feed it. Make it auto lease and get that bread going. All right. Talk to you soon. Jules here at Abundance Gardens.